Welcome to another EasyFlex Content Management System video tutorial. This tutorial will teach you how to add classes or events to your calendar and add specific dates to that class or event. This tutorial is specific for Internet Explorer 9. Please check out our other video tutorials if you're using a different browser. First, log into EasyFlex and then navigate to the page where you would like to add your event or class. Today we're adding them to Project Classes. Click on the Add New Content button. The Edit Content window appears. Type in your title, a description, decide if you would like event repetitions and choose between the choices. Decide if you need to add any additional information. If you think everything's correct, you may choose to add and publish directly, or you may save for later by choosing one of these buttons. Here we're demonstrating Save for Later. The new class appears at the top of the page, and notice it has Not Published in red because we saved it for later and did not publish it. Now we would like to add some specific dates to our event or class. So we click the Add Dates button. The Add New Dates for this class or event page appears. Notice under the title and description for this class or event, there's a message that displays there are no dates stored for this class. Use the calendar at right to add some. Now we click on a specific date on the calendar. The Enter Class Times window appears. We'll add a start time. We'll add an end time, making sure we have selected correctly AM or PM. If you wish to display specific information particular to this date, then add it here in the Multiple Class Info. Here we're adding Week 1. Click the Add Class or Date button. Notice the message, Your date has been added. Now click the Close this window button. In Internet Explorer 9, a message window will pop up. It's trying to refresh your original page, and so Windows Explorer displays this message. There's nothing wrong, you simply need to click the Retry button. It might take a second or two for your Add New Dates window to appear again, but when it does, you will see that you've added Week 1, Wednesday, May 8th, 5 to 7 p.m. as a new class or event date. Let's do this one more time as a review. Click the date for which you'd like to add a time. Enter your specific time information and any information specific to this particular date and time. And it's always a good idea to double check the date for which you're adding your specific class or event time. Now we'll go back to the web page inside EasyFlex just to make sure our event or class is displaying properly. Notice that it's still not published. If everything looks correct or you would like to make some changes, click the Edit button so that we can either publish it or make changes and publish it. Here we can also check our information. We see that it's currently not published. We can check our dates down at the bottom. But let's say we wanted to make some changes to the description. We can do that here before we finally publish. Everything looks good, so we're going to go ahead and publish. This takes us back to our original web page. We can see that our content has updated. We also see that the Not Published in red above the title of the class or event has disappeared. This tells us in EasyFlex that this has been published to the live website. So let's go over to the live website, open in another tab, and make sure. We've already got the live website open in another tab because it's a great way to update your website, having EasyFlex open in one tab and the live website in another. But we do have to refresh this page to see our new information appear. Once we refresh the page, we see our new class or event appear with the title, the description, the class dates, and the specific information for each of those dates. We hope this tutorial for Internet Explorer 9 on how to add an event or class to your calendar has been helpful. Remember to check out our other video tutorials on using EasyFlex, the singular content management solution.